Welcome back. We're continuing the news. This morning, there was yet another protest about the pace at which the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, is restoring power in St. Mary. Residents blocked the Junction Main Road as they protest, as they say, they have run out of patience. It's been 18 days since they've been without electricity after the passage of Hurricane Beryl.
We need to be addressed. We not stop block this road until we get people to address us, because it is deplorable. We are living in deplorable condition, really deplorable. We can't take it anymore. We are abiding citizens of Jamaica, and we are long enough. And my mother, they are insolent and not to be me have to go forget ice. Me time reach up here, water, no light. So what? We're not nobody. A foolish this JPS a two post plan down a Broadgate. We are not nobody. We are with the back of the world. That no fear.
Now, the protest led to traffic issues, and even as some empathize with the residents, they express understanding about the delay in the restoration.
It would be now 19 days, and as it is, it's really affecting them, because I know what it is like to have no electricity. You're hot, you can't store any meat, you constantly have to be eating canned foods, you know. So I can understand their plight, and because of that, you know, I just have to understand the situation and just work with it as it is.
Well, I can't reach out there to see that. I have to go look a country something for get up my stomach, but I can't reach out. People them block your road. What we can do, we have to just wait because they want light.